So guys, Thomas here, WFO X-Design, G-Pit. With as you can see, with the X-Maxx. The problem is my pinion is a little bit loose. It's a freaking beast. And for the people who don't know, this car is a handful. And as you can see, I'm running the WFO Rc-Racing Wide KIT in aluminum. Oh, I can't use aluminum or... Well, I've been using them for years now. They have a slightly bend, but it's so small that I don't give a crap, to be honest. Yes, of course, when you crash, there's no flex. I think I went through maybe 2-3 front bulks and rear, a chassis or two, but that's a small thing versus what it gives me back. Nope, we definitely didn't. Dust anyone? There is no landing zones. Well, as you can see, it's been... What the fuck is that? Still in the process of learning those tires. I mean, the suspension. That was a close call, that's for sure. Oh. Okay. Nothing. No turtle time down there. Okay, so I'm gonna call it a day. I'm pretty pleased with it. This is a pro graphic painted body, so not too much. Close that deal. That one too. Those packs are real old. Oh, I missed this. So this is a real old Traxxas XMAXX 8S I received from my dear friend Graham in the United States. Must be 5 or 6 years ago, and to be honest, I don't remember how long he had this truck. I've overhauled it, I have changed plastic, chassis. The only thing that I haven't actually done is the diffs. They are aluminum diff cups, Traxxas ones, front, rear, and the mid is stock. I changed the gears when I rebuilt the whole car with the hubs, bearings, wheel axles, outdrives, everything. It wasn't any wrong with them. They were a little bit worn, but fully functional. The shocks haven't been touched for years, and of course the WFO Rc Racing's Wide KIT and the M2C Racing Chassibrace, upper brace, Motormount, EC mount. This one in Tegel was stock when I received the car. I did the upper front and rear bulkhead modification with this hinge pin holder, or what it's called, the bracket brace. So basically all bearings, everything is changed on this car. The MX-43, this is the second time I'm using, and by far, without a doubt, my favorite tires. They can really stand the power, and the system in this one, it's a Leopard 1058 950 kV max 5 Thunderoos fan, tin coated shafts, of course. Don't remember the weight of it, but I got the firmest spring from Traxxas, and with the multiple settings on those arms makes the car, a good car, extremely amazing. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.